Meaning of deck tennis.
Deck tennis.
Deck tennis.
Deck tennis.
Deck tennis. Deck tennis is a sport that is played on a specially designed court that is similar to a badminton court. It is played with two teams of 2 players each, and the object of the game is to hit a small rubber ring over a net and onto the opposing team's side of the court without them being able to return it. The game requires speed, agility, and good hand-eye coordination. Deck tennis is a fun and challenging sport that can be played by people of all ages and skill levels, both indoors and outdoors.